Today's fun question. 50 cows can graze a field for 40 days and 40 cows can graze the same field for 80 days. Some grass is already there and the grass grows at a constant rate. What is the maximum number of cows that can graze the same field for an infinite time? So look here in this question, when the day when 50 cows take entry, some grass is already present. Plus, if certain amount of grass grows daily, then in 40 days, 40 unit of the grass plus this fixed unit of the grass is actually the total requirement of 50 cows in 40 days. Question is clear? Means when they take entry, some grass is here and daily G unit grass grows, then in 40 days, 40 G unit of the grass will grow. So this fixed plus this 40 G unit grass is actually the total requirement of these 50 cows in 40 days. This is a question. Is it okay? So now see, suppose the grass already there is X plus Y unit grass grow daily. So Y into 40. This is the total requirement of 50 cows in 40 days. This is the question number one. And in second case, when 40 cows take entry, the same field, so means here the X amount is fixed. And now Y unit grass grow daily, so Y into 80 is a total requirement of these 40 cows for 80 days. So if we take these two equations, then subtract 1 from 2. 1 x cancel. And here 40y and 80y minus 40y is 40y. And here 18 to 40, 3200. And this is 5 4 and 2000. 3200 minus 2000 is 1200. So this y is going to be 30. It means 30 unit grass grow daily. 30 unit grass grow daily. So if you put this value of y in either equation, like here x plus y is a 30, 40 and 50, 40, 2000. So this is 1200, 2000 minus 1200. This is 800. So at 800 unit of the grass was already present when they took entry and feed. And daily 30 unit of grass per day. Now your question is, find the maximum number of cows that can graze the same field for an infinite time. So suppose maximum number of cows are M. And they survives for the next n days. They survive for n days. So for m number of cows, the total requirement is m into n. And here x plus the amount of grass grow in n day is n into y. Because I took y is a grass grow, y is a unit of grass grow daily. So in n days, total grass grow n into y, and x is the amount of grass already present in the field. So look here, m into n, x is what? 800. Y is 30. So here it is n m minus 30 is equal to 800, right? Now, n is equal to 800 upon m minus 30. So I took n days and the maximum number of cows m. Question is, what is the maximum number of cows that can graze the same field for infinite time? So look here, n is equal to infinite. N is equal to infinite, it means denominator should be 0, right? 800 upon m minus 30. So if you want value n is equal to infinity, it means denominator must be 0. So for this purpose, m minus 30 should be equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 20. So m is here, the maximum number of cows, m is 30. So answer is 30. 30 cows can graze the same field for an infinite time. So this is the answer of your question. Thank you.